Greetings, road warriors! Welcome back to the Porter's RV Sales YouTube channel here in sunny Williamston, South Carolina, where luxury meets the open road. Today, we are opening the doors to an absolute stunner of a diesel pusher that represents one of the most incredible buying opportunities we have ever had on our lot. This is a 2022 Thor Palazzo 37.4. If you've been searching for a late-model luxury diesel that has barely even been broken in, this is the one. It has only 12,000 original miles on the clock, measures 38 feet in length, and is currently available for $40,000 under NADA retail value. That is an immediate equity position on a premium coach that looks and smells like it just rolled off the factory line. Take a look at this gorgeous exterior presentation. This coach is wrapped in Thor's premium Oakmont graphics package. This is a high-end, multi-stage, full-body paint finish with an automotive-grade clear coat. The beautiful blend of modern grays, soft earth tones, and deep metallic charcoals gives this coach a sophisticated, commanding presence on the highway. Because it's full-body paint, it has a depth and shine that cheap vinyl graphics simply cannot touch. No peeling stickers or fading lines to worry about here. This finish is built to last for decades. This 37.4 floor plan features 3 large slide-outs that completely transform the interior into a spacious residential layout. As we walk the passenger side, notice the dual-power patio awnings equipped with integrated LED light strips, creating a massive, continuous, shaded outdoor living space for your campsite. You also have premium slide topper awnings over every single slide to keep debris and rainwater away from your seals. Throughout this walk-around, notice the polished aluminum wheels and the sleek, frameless dual-pane windows that add to the high-end look while providing superior climate insulation. From the integrated side view cameras to the massive one-piece windshield, every single line reflects modern luxury. Around the back, you'll find a heavy-duty 10,000-pound trailer hitch, built to tow a full-size vehicle or a heavy trailer with absolute ease. We are going to finish up our exterior view and then move straight down to open up the storage bays so we can check out the mechanical foundation that makes this Palazzo such a legendary performer. Let's move down to the basement, because the mechanical specifications on this 2022 Palazzo are top tier. This coach sits on a heavy-duty Freightliner raised rail chassis featuring Thor's proprietary Atlas foundation. The Atlas foundation is a heavy-duty steel cage system that reinforces the chassis rails, providing unmatched structural strength, an incredibly quiet ride, and a rock-solid feel on the highway. With full air ride suspension and full air brakes, this 38-footer delivers that signature, smooth, floating ride that eliminates driver fatigue. Powering your journey is the reliable Cummins 6.7-liter ISB diesel engine, producing 340 horsepower and 700 foot-pounds of torque, paired with the Allison 6-speed automatic transmission with an electronic shifter. This powertrain is a proven workhorse, offering exceptional fuel efficiency for long-distance cruising while giving you plenty of muscle to climb steep mountain passes. When we open up the storage doors, you'll see the massive advantage of that raised rail design. Full pass-through basement storage compartments with tons of room for your folding tables, lawn chairs, and heavy gear. Right here in the sidewall is your exterior entertainment center featuring a 32-inch TV, perfect for tailgating or enjoying a movie under the stars. For your utility power, we have a large Onan 6.0 kilowatt quiet diesel generator with only 162 hours of use, mounted on a convenient slide-out service tray. This provides more than enough juice to run your dual-roof AC units and all your interior appliances simultaneously while dry camping. You'll also find a 50-amp electrical service with a screw-in detachable extension cord, a premium Magnum inverter charger, and handy battery disconnects to manage your power efficiently. Campground setup is completely effortless thanks to the 4-point automatic hydraulic leveling jacks with a simple touchpad control right by the driver's seat. To keep you safe on the road, you have a full rear view and side view camera system with an in-dash monitor. Let's head inside and see how this incredible modern space management translates to luxury in the cabin. Step up into the Palazzo and you are immediately going to notice how expansive, bright, and completely residential this interior feels. Because of those 3 enormous slide-outs, the interior volume of this 38-foot coach is absolutely spectacular. You have a beautiful modern aesthetic with premium flooring, high-gloss cabinetry, and top-tier fixtures immediately visible. This coach is incredibly clean and reflects that 12,000-mile care perfectly. It literally smells like a brand new motorhome inside. It features an open concept flow that connects the front living salon and the kitchen beautifully, making it an incredibly welcoming environment from the second you step through the door. It sets a wonderful tone for the rest of our tour. Let's walk right into the main living lounge and look at these features. The front living room is a masterclass in comfort and versatility. On one side, we have a comfortable booth dinette that provides a great dining hub, but easily converts into an additional bed. Right adjacent is a cozy electric fireplace that adds a wonderful residential ambiance and serves as an excellent source of electric heat on cool mornings, with a 32-inch TV mounted directly above it. Across the aisle is a large pull-out sleeper sofa that can easily accommodate overnight guests. And look at the primary entertainment hub. You have a massive 50-inch TV mounted on a power televator lift that smoothly hides away into the cabinetry when you want to enjoy the panoramic view out the window. It is a fantastic lounge layout. Now, watch this. Look right above the 2 front cockpit seats. With the push of a button, your power drop-down overhead bunk bed lowers smoothly into place. This is a massive overhead bunk area that provides a fantastic, secure secondary sleeping space for kids or extra guests. Because it is completely automated, it tucks up seamlessly into the ceiling when it's not in use, keeping it completely out of sight and out of the way while you are driving down the highway. It's an incredibly smart use of space that adds massive versatility to this 37.4 layout. Directly across from that 50-inch televator TV, you have premium dual theater recliner seating. This is the ultimate spot to kick back, relax, and watch a movie in total first-class comfort. Between the king bed, the overhead bunk, the sleeper sofa, and the dinette, this coach can comfortably sleep up to 8 people, making it a premier choice for traveling with family. The full gourmet kitchen is a chef's dream on the road, featuring beautiful solid surface countertops and premium stainless steel appliances. You have a flush-mounted induction cooktop, a microwave convection oven for all your baking needs, and a massive residential refrigerator and freezer that can handle a full grocery haul for the whole family. And check this out. We have a custom extendable countertop section with a built-in cutting board that pulls out from the cabinetry to give you an incredible amount of extra space when you are preparing a big meal. The stainless steel residential sink and high-rise pull-down faucet make prep and cleanup a breeze. The cabinet and drawer storage throughout this entire galley is outstanding, providing an abundance of room for all your pots, pans, and dry goods. It is a clean, bright, and highly functional workspace. Moving down the hall, we find the private bathroom, and Thor did a wonderful job designing the space in here. The standout feature is the large shower enclosure with solid glass doors and a built-in skylight overhead. That skylight brings in a beautiful amount of natural light and gives you that extra bit of headroom you want. You have a solid vanity with a sink, plenty of medicine cabinet and mirror storage for your toiletries, a toilet, and a high-volume power vent fan to keep the air moving and the space fresh. It's a clean, bright, and highly functional layout that provides all the comforts of home, perfectly positioned for easy access from both the rear master bedroom and the front living room. Right across from the bathroom, we find a dedicated utility closet, housing a premium stackable washer and dryer system. Having separate residential-sized machines instead of a combo unit is a massive luxury for full-timers or extended families. It allows you to wash and dry simultaneously while you enjoy your vacation, keeping you completely self-sufficient and eliminating those trips to the campground laundromat. Welcome to the Master Retreat. This is your private sanctuary at the back of the coach, and it is absolutely spectacular. You have a massive king bed situated in its own dedicated slide-out, providing the absolute pinnacle of sleeping luxury on the road. This room is packed with flagship features for extended travel. You have your own dedicated 32-inch TV mounted perfectly across from the bed, along with a spacious wardrobe closet and a massive bank of deep built-in drawers for all your travel attire and gear. Because this room is completely separated from the active living area by a solid sliding door, it serves as a quiet, peaceful room to unwind at the end of an adventurous day. Large windows let in great natural light and catch a beautiful cross breeze, while the rich wood finishes and premium accent lighting back here really showcase the exceptional build quality of the Palazzo line. It is a cozy, highly functional master suite that ensures you get a great night's rest. Let's start walking back out towards the front of the RV. Move back through the hallway and into the living salon. You can really appreciate the natural residential flow and design of this 37.4 layout. The triple slides create incredible width, making it easy for a big family to move around without ever feeling cramped. Settling into the driver's seat, you are sitting in a heavy-duty command center with a commanding view of the road through that massive windshield. Your automatic hydraulic leveling touchpad, Allison transmission shifter, and air brake controls are all intuitively laid out right at your fingertips, making this coach an absolute pleasure to pilot down the highway. As we step back outside, it is easy to see why this 2022 Thor Palazzo 37.4 is such a premier choice. To recap, you are looking at a late-model diesel pusher with only 12,000 miles, available for $40,000 under current NADA retail value. It features a reliable Cummins engine, a Freightliner chassis with Atlas foundation, a king bed, a power drop-down bunk, sleeping for 8, an exterior entertainment center, stackable laundry, and that gorgeous Oakmont full-body paint. If you want to see this coach in person or have any specific questions, give us a call at 864-2609-276 or send an email over to sales@portersrvsales.com. Be sure to visit us online at www.portersrvsales.com to view the full specification sheet and additional photos. Thank you so much for joining us for this tour at Porter's RV Sales. And as always, happy camping!